Here are 3 reasons to share your numbers with your employees. They tell you you trust them. Financial transparency builds mutual respect. When your employees feel that you're treating them as adults, they will respond accordingly. Keep in mind, you do not have to share every detail, including everyone's salary. It bridges the gap. When you teach your employees how hard it is to actually make a profit in business, they may be more willing to help cut expenses or come up with ideas to make additional profit. And it teaches them real-world finances. You certainly don't need to turn your employees into CPAs, but having a basic understanding of the finances of your business can help them both at home and at work. When there's a financial disconnect, it leaves your employees feeling undervalued, untrusted, and unmotivated to stay. By opening your books, you not only boost your employees' knowledge of finances, but you also give them more confidence in understanding how the numbers work and what they can do to positively make an impact.